Hello Unanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. For today's video, I want to share with you how to use this Painless Lavender Hair Removal Spray, painless and non-irritating hair removal in 8 minutes. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! How to use the Painless hair removal. First, you need to shake the bottle. Put the spray on the area for hair removal and leave the spray on for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2. Use the soft cloth or tissue to remove hair in the area where you apply the spray. Step 3. Rinse the treated area with water and dry. Unanimous Friends, use the Hair Inhibitor Cream Laser Hair Removal Alternative. Use it for 30 days to achieve the best result. Hair removal, hair growth prevention with skincare, fruit flower scent. Unanimous Friends, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like, share, and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. Until next video, I love you. Saranghe!